Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rupal from Hope Happiness Bazaar, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you like my video. So guys, today's video is a much requested video from you all. So in my previous videos I have asked you guys that which video you want to see in future. So you guys have requested me to do a daytime skincare routine, basically a skincare routine. So right now I have planned to do a daytime skincare routine for you guys. So let me give some base about it. So my daytime skincare routine is really simple yet effective. So guys, I have made, or I have chosen a daytime skincare routine which is extremely simple and quick yet effective. I am using minimal products on my face, first because I don't have time to take care of my skin due to my baby. Secondly, I think that during this summer, because it's so hot in Delhi, it's very difficult to apply more than two products or two or three products on your face because you end up sweating a lot. So that's why I am using only two or three products on my face. Without further ado, let's get started. But guys, before starting this video, let me tell you one thing, that few days back I posted one video in which I was going to give a giveaway to one of your lucky subscribers. So today is the day when I am going to announce the name of the person who won this giveaway. So guys, you just need to see the description box for the same. I have mentioned the name of the lucky winner and she will get that goodie ASAP. So yeah, congratulations to the winner, and girl, please send your full address to me on my email ID, which is hopehappinessbazaar@gmail.com. So yeah, so I will be waiting for your email, and congratulations again. So yeah guys, for all those who haven't won this giveaway, don't get actually disheartened, because I am going to plan more giveaway in future, so don't worry about that. So guys, one more thing, this giveaway was going to be announced on 1st of July, but unfortunately due to my system crashed at that day, or like not on that day, but like on 27th or 28th of June. So unfortunately I lost all my data and I have to prepare this video again and edit it again and upload it again. So that's why I am late to announce this giveaway, so I'm really sorry for that. So yeah, let's start this video now. So yeah guys, I have just cleaned my face with normal cleanser which I use on a daily basis. For cleanser, I am using this Dove Pink Rosa Bar. This is extremely affordable. This is extremely affordable, and the reason I use this Rosa bar or Dove bar, because my skin is really dry and it gives a good hydration to my face and give me such a soft and supple skin. So I just really love the after effect of this soap on my face. So secondly, after using my cleanser, I apply a toner. So guys, toner is really important in your daytime or nighttime skincare routine, because when you wash your face, your pores, all the pores got open up, because and to close that pores, or you just need to give some hydration to your pores, so you just need to use a good toner to close that pore, so that all the dirt from the outside environment doesn't go inside your open pores immediately after cleansing. So yeah, I am using this Biotique Bio Honey water as a toner. This is also extremely affordable. It retails for 175 rupees for I believe 120 ml of product. The good part about this toner is that this is for all skin type, and it contains honey water. For all those people who does have dry skin like me, can go for this toner for sure. It's very herbal, very effective, very hydrating. And secondly, for those having acne prone skin, they can go for their cucumber toner from the same brand Biotique. You can go and check that out online. And yeah guys, one more thing, if you go and check this toner online, you can definitely get 25 to 30% off online. So that's a big yay. So yeah, for applying this toner, I just need to take some on my palm and press my hand against my skin so that all the toner get inside my pores. The reason of doing that is that I just wanted to close all my pores to get rid of all the impurities and pollution in the outside environment. So that's why I am using the toner like this. So once it get dry, you need to jump into step 2. So yeah, it's get dry. So yeah guys, the benefit of toner is that it actually helps you to get rid of uneven skin tone, one, and secondly it helps you to get rid of all the impurities which can go inside your pores and lead to acne and many more, like pimple, acne and other more issues, skin issues. So for second step, you can definitely jump into directly moisturizer, but I don't do that because it's so hot in Delhi. So I want something to cool down my skin, to get rid of that sunburn, that tanning. So that's why I need something really herbal on my skin. So that's why I am using this Jejo Aloe Vera Gel from the brand Face Shop. It retailed for 390 rupees for 300 ml of product, which is a huge tub as you can see here. This is 99% herbal. The proof of this is that when you open it, the gel inside is absolutely clear, no color inside it. So I am using this on my face right now. I'm just using some of it and just dabbing on my face and just blending it in a circular motion. Once it gets blended fully, so you just need to jump into step 3, which is moisturizer. Because I do have dry skin, so I always prefer to use much hydrating moisturizer on my face, so that at the end of the day my skin remains so hydrated and plumpy. So that's why I use Biotic Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream. It retailed for 199 rupees and the quantity is 50 gram. The best part about Biotic is that they are extremely affordable and also herbal in nature, so you don't have to worry about the side effects on your face. So that's why I just love it. Contain coconuts, so it is definitely good for your skin. So I just need a pea size amount of it and dab it all over my face, just because it's so hot, so I'm using very less quantity of it. Don't forget to apply everything, whatever the steps we use on our face. Don't forget to apply the same on your neck as well, because definitely you don't want your skin to glow and your neck to be so dull. Last but not the least, the last step is lip balm. So for that I use again Biotic. I have removed it, but it's Biofruit lip balm. It retailed for 175 rupees and it's 12 gram of product, and it contains, like, it claims that everything inside this is made up of fruit, and it also claims that after using regularly for 15-20 days you can get rid of pigmented lips. So if it is so, then definitely it's a big yay. But yeah, I am using it because it's herbal and it's, the smell of it is very fruity and nice, so that's why let me use that. So yeah guys, that's all for my daytime skincare routine. Hope you all like it. And one more thing, all the products details will be there in the description bar with the links and the price or the sale price which is currently there in the website. I will mention that in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. And yeah guys, that's all for today's video. If you really like my video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell icon so that you can get regular notifications of my upcoming videos. And one more thing, don't forget to check the name of the lucky winner as well, and let me know your complete address in my email ID, which is hopehappinesswizard@gmail.com. All the best for future giveaways, and that's it for now. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.